This one's a bit of a chefy one, a bit of a healthy one, but it also cuts down on the washing up because I'm not going to use any utensils to cook it in, apart from a tray to put it in the oven. I'm going to bake some fish with some green vegetables, nice and healthy. I'm just going to bake them in paper. What I've got here is a piece of foil and then a piece of greaseproof paper inside. I'm going to put it all in there, wrap it up in a parcel, and then throw it in the oven for half an hour. Alright, so I've got some sliced leeks. That's literally just the top of a leek. Go straight in on the bottom. I've also done a bit of broccoli. And then found this on offer today, some asparagus, so I thought I'd grab this as well. Easy way to work out where to cut, because the bottom end's a bit tough, gets a bit stringy. So the easy way to work out is just sort of wiggle it about and bend it, and when it snaps, that's where you cook it from. Get rid of that bit. There we are. I'll put those on the top there. And then I found these bags of fish in Lidl. There's 10 pieces of fish in a bag for £2.99, so you're paying 29p for a piece of fish. Probably the same size as you'd get in batter in a chip shop, but they charge you £2.70 or something for it, just for the fish. So literally that's just going in frozen as it is. And then I've got a knob of butter. You can use margarine, you can put a bit of olive oil or whatever if you've got some. And because I'm putting some liquid in here now, I'm just going to form it into a bit of a bowl so it doesn't go everywhere. Just going to squeeze some lemon juice in there. And then a pinch of salt. A couple of grinds of pepper or a couple of pinches of black pepper. And then this is the only complicated bit with the whole dish. You just want to form it into a bag. So I'm just folding the end around there. And then just get hold of the top and fold it over. Like let's say you were making a pasty. It needs to look a bit like a Cornish pasty. You just fold the edges around, keep it all sealed, and then, there you go, see what I mean, like a Cornish pasty. And then fold that up, and then it's ready to go in the oven. So I'm just going to chuck this on a tray. And then the oven's on 200, it's ready, preheated, and it'll go in for half an hour. Okay, here we are then, the finished article. Now be very careful when you open this because there will be some steam that comes out of it. Let's have a look. You could serve this with, you could cook yourself a little bit of rice, or you could have it with a couple of new potatoes, a few more bits of veg. It's got its own sauce inside, which is made by the butter. And the lemon juice, and there you go. Nice baked fish with some green vegetables, nice and healthy.